Hi, good day to you. Welcome you all to today's video. I'm Ashini from XTREAM Dubai. Today we are going to show you Ligo DLB 5AC. So let's move forward with the device. Ligo DLB 5AC is antenna based radio device and it's a 5 GHz high capacity wireless device. Its WLAN standard is IP3. Its transmit power is 30 dBm and it has 500 plus Mbps capacity. You can use this device for both solutions as PTP and PTMP, and when it goes to PTP it goes up to 20 kilometers, but it will be antenna dependent, and when it comes to PTMP also it will be antenna dependent. So for both scenarios we need to have external antennas, and also this will support for Infinity Cloud Controller as well. So if you need to know more information of this device, please go to LigoWave website and download the datasheet. We are going to unbox Ligo DLB 5AC device. Let's see how it is. Okay, I'll take it out, the device first. It's quite pretty. You can see the side. And these are mounting brackets. This is the PoE adapter and this is the PoE cable. Okay. You can see how pretty it is. These are the antenna connectors. Mounting case and PoE adapter and PoE cable. So when we compare this Ligo DLB AC with another device from another model, we can take Ubiquiti Rocket Prism AC Gen 2. So Ligo DLB is having the transmit power as 30 dBm and Ubiquiti Rocket Prism AC Gen 2 is having the transmit power as 28 dBm. So there's a main difference between these two devices. For more information, kindly visit our website from the description and give us a call and drop us an email. So bye for now.